Chioma don finally come Nigeria with her baby Ifeanyi when dem dey for America since where she go born, and now she don come home finally. So before I go dey give una the full gist, I first wan introduce myself to people wey never see this my channel before. When visiting today be their first time. My name na Lady G. You are welcome to my channel. If today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg no forget to subscribe if you don watch this video finish, and just hit the notification bell as well, so that anytime when I upload new video, you go just dey get message say I don upload new video. If you subscribe and you no press that bell, you no go fit still get message. If the reach this day, you no go fit get message for your phone say I don put new video. And for those of una wey don already subscribe to this my channel, when they encourage me, when they give me that encouragement, I say God will bless you. Now thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys when they support me for the subscribe when I don't subscribe to this my channel. So the gist today na about Chioma. Say she don come Nigeria finally. Now I know say she dey America since when she take travel, when she go take born her baby. Now she don come Nigeria. In case say maybe you never see the small clip of video when they go viral, how wetin happen for road, make I just show now.
Tell your whole family you read all that.
So what I just show now that small video now, just for now to see that one at the time when Chioma, you will see Chioma when she sit down, the way she take frown her face, the time when she dey come, and Davido dey the other seat, he sit down, he dey sleep. So at this video they go viral, and many people they talk say things are not well, because if you see Chioma face the way she take dey for inside there, it be like person when be say it's obvious say things are not going well, say problem that is kasala dey for ground. So the thing wey make me I bring this topic today, apart from say Chioma don come back to Nigeria, another tweet today when they go around talk say Davido no go ever marry Chioma. Say Davido no go even marry, talk less of to talk say he won't marry Chioma. Now that one waiting go viral. Madam Kemi first talk, and then the something come they go viral. So wetin I see for that matter be say, since when this matter don dey go up and down between Peruzzi and Chioma, that is Toby Chukwu. Now that one be the real name of that guy when they call Peruzzi. Since when King Patrick, that is Golden Boy Entertainment, bring this matter come down, he come talk say Peruzzi and Chioma that they do hypocrisy before. In case you don't know what be hypocrisy, just leave your message. I go tell now what you mean. Say that they gather they do hypocrisy before. So Chioma can introduce the Peruzzi to Davido, say na him cousin. Apart from this thing when they go viral, many people come they talk say all these things when they talk, so say one na Photoshop, and two even though say Chioma do one, they don't see anything bad inside. I see somebody when he talk, because I don't watch other people video, I don't see other comments and different things. And even though say Chioma do one, they don't see anything going bad, because Davido don't do many things too before. I say, do you mean it? How you go talk say wetin Chioma do? If you be say Chioma dey with Peruzzi that they do hypocrisy before, say wetin he do, say they don't see any big deal for his side. Davido will not say yes na Casanova, but Chioma get her past now, so Davido get him past. Davido know Chioma, he no know and say the Chioma never know man before for her life. No be that one be the issue. The issue be say why e be say the person when be saying if they do hypocrisy with before, that person now he can't introduce her to Davido, and that person they always dey inside their house. Now there the problem come. Now so then talk not be talk, and not me bring this news. Now so then take talk the news. So wetin make I come be say that person now they live with them and he dey familiar with them, they with them for inside the same house. Then Chioma they claim say na cousin. So many people consider they talk say even though they talk say this marriage no go hold, say Davido no go marry Chioma, even though say people they talk am, many people they wish Chioma bad, and they don't want to make Davido marry am. No be that one be the issue now. For me, no be that one be the issue now. Wetin I think for this matter, wetin I think for this marriage of a thing, now I wan talk. So apart from say people they talk say the marriage must hold, the haters will be put to shame, different thing. One thing be say, one thing about us, especially we Africans, be say we know they like to hear anything when be the truth, in the sense that nobody get anything against Chioma here. We are only saying the fact just for us to rub mind together. Maybe we just talk the things as it be. Maybe we talk as it be. nobody dey against Davido marrying Chioma, but the fact must be said, as our people take am make parable, they talk say person when he like you na he go tell you say your mouth dey smell. For the fact say many people love Chioma, me I no hate Chioma, but for the fact say many people love Chioma no mean say if you see the truth or e dey do wrong something or you see the truth about her, you know if you talk am, because many people dey used to this thing. When be say they like person, that person na their fans, they like am, that person for them na saint. Anything what that person do is right, whether that person is going wrong, whether that person is going astray, you know, concern them. They won't be say they like that person. Anything when that person be, that person is not it's above mistake. Now so many people take the reason. So for me I know they think like that. If Chioma marry Davido, I don't say make Chioma not marry Davido. If Davido marry Chioma, I wish them well. But apart from say Patrick, this Golden Boy Entertainment come bring this matter, say Peruzzi and Chioma, they do it bukiri, they touch each other before. Even though say that kind thing, you know, they say Patrick not talk am. Let's look it in another way. Say for example, say you know bring this kind scandal come Chioma place. Say Davido talk say he wan marry Chioma. For una mind, I don't know what you think. Looking at Davido is young. I think Davido now, I know whether na 26 years he go now, or so, or 25, I don't know. Davido na very young guy, and na person wey get influence well when be say na artist, that is na celebrity, when many other young girls will like to come into a life. So the Davido when he talk say he wan marry Chioma now, una see anything like husband material for Davido body? That is the question why they ask. Now my opinion I dey talk. I don't say make you not talk your opinion. If you don't listen to this video finish, you are free to leave your comments and still talk what you think. Anything like husband material dey for Davido body. Chioma might be ready for the marriage, but Davido are not looking like person when ready to settle down, because getting married na another something, to settle down na another thing. Many people they talk say make them marry and they don't even fix the wedding date. If they do marriage now, many people will shame. If they do marriage and then after, what will happen later? Not be to do wedding. Now the marriage now will they talk for here. Okay, you just look person like Chioma. Now Chioma na very fine girl and she dey very young. Then at this her age, Chioma is going to 24 or so if I'm not mistaken. At this her age, she don't dey go through heartache because of man when be say he never even marry. So make una think and say, if you can't be say this man, he can't marry eventually, that is, they can't marry, can't be husband and wife later, what is she go through? What is she go through later? People they clap hand for her and they talk say, hey, go Chioma, go, now you be the right woman for Davido, now Davido be the right man for you. But now they look at in the other side, now they look and say, this Davido now they talk. Well, now they see lifestyle. That one be like man when ready to settle down. Davido be like man when be say, even though say Chioma born 10 boys for her, Davido ready to change his lifestyle now. The thing one they imagine for Davido say if he marry Chioma, he go come change. He go come change to another kind of man. Now when Davido go they think that kind of thing, now when Davido don't dey around that kind 50 or 60, now Davido go they think that kind of life. No be now. Because all of us they see the kind of life when Davido they live. He they drink anyhow, he they do different things, he they sleep with different women. Getting married to Chioma is not the ultimate. Getting married to Chioma, even though say Chioma don't born 10 boys, born 20 boys for her, Davido will still go out, he will still get that name, he will still be baby father. Is the fact, that is the bitter truth. He will still they follow woman and I will still hear different things. Then that time, Chioma will come they go through more pains. Now, Chioma still get time to decide. Chioma still get choice now. But that time, no, to get choice. Even though say people won't clap for her and say, hey, Chioma, go. Chioma enter. They will still clap for her, make it clap, make it still waka come out for inside the marriage. Now the same people will say, they say, you know, even say in a divorce, now Chioma come be now at that young age. You know, say sometimes when we see something, when we say, it's not right, we don't want to let go just because we get some things when we want to gain for that something. Chioma himself, when they follow Davido, young fine girl like that, undergraduate or that money say she can't drop out from her study just because of Davido. This one and man when be say he don't born 1, 2, 3. Even though say no count the third pikin journal, we know say na pikin. Then she still took her help. Nothing say Chioma to ignore. She know what she dey do. She still know what she dey find too. If for example say Davido self say he no be anything, say he no be celebrity, he no get anything, say na normal person. You say all these girls when you see say that they run up and down, they follow Davido. Anybody when enter, pikin go enter. Anybody when enter, one pikin go enter. You just say that for the chook head enter like that. all of them they know wetin dem dey look for. All of them know wetin dem dey look for. Likewise Davido sef, he know say all these people wey dey run around am, all these women wey dey run around am, all of them na something dem dey find because he na star. Okay, make we take am like this. Many people dey talk say when this kasala burst and one of this talk come say all of them na photoshop, nothing like that, anything like this no happen. All those one na talk. People can't even put the pikin for inside, can't still carry wetin dem dey call am, the small baby, if I put for inside, can't still put him matter. People can't react well say the pikin dey innocent, really the pikin dey innocent, no concern am. But na Davido, na everybody dey attack Davido and Chioma, say make dem prove themselves right, in the sense that as Davido like social media reach, una remember the time when Chioma just newborn pikin, when she still dey America, when she never come back home. Two small girls, those two small girls, when they come out, they come accuse Davido, talk say Davido give them belle, say that they expect another pikin for Davido. Wetin happen? It take 3-4 days before Davido go find them, come out, tie chain for their hand, they parade them for everywhere to prove himself, say nothing like that happen. Then later uncle, wetin those girls talk, they talk say they dey very sorry, they just talk am for fun, maybe they won't go viral for just 1 day or 2 days before the matter died down like that. Okay, what of the other second time when be say Davido carry Sophia Momodu, that is Mama Imade, carry am go Ghana? He carry am go Ghana, the people come dey talk say he carry Mama Imade go Ghana, they go enjoy just because say Chioma no dey around, Chioma dey for America, and now he can't just take the opportunity. Now he don't settle with Mama Imade, which is Sophia Momodu. He don't carry am go Ghana, they wan go enjoy their self. It take time before the video come out, come quickly clear the air, right, and say na lift na him give am, say na passenger side abi na conductor side na him Sophia sit down for a private jet. He just sorry for am, give am that lift just because of the pikin. I think Davido can't clear the air. People believe that and they not talk say na Photoshop. So Davido na person wey me I feel, and when I believe say if something dey happen, especially this kind talk, this kind kasala, when e dey go around now say e girlfriend, which is Chioma and Peruzzi, they do hypocrisy before. Davido for don come out clear the air. If Davido not come out clear the air, that means there is something fishy. There must be something under when make am, because Davido not be that kind of person as when he sabi keep quiet when anything they go around am. Even when they talk about this, pikin say make it go do DNA test, make it go do different thing, Davido still come out clear and say he not get anytime when he take deny say not be pikin. Because why? Because he never do DNA test to prove and say not be pikin. He come out clear, but he not really talk the side of Chioma and Peruzzi, say whether na lie, whether na true, say everything that they talk say na lie. No talk go that side. So I don't know why some people they take this something personal. This one not fit be like that. When I not pet Chioma enter inside hole, at the end of the day, una will still pet and come out. The same people when pet and go inside, and the same people now then go still come out tomorrow. Sit and say, Chioma don't see all this thing now. He don't see all this thing now before he still choke enter. When I think say it's easy to be a stepmother. How many times when Davido go come out say he want go see his children, he want go greet his children, he go say, oh yeah, Chioma ready, make we go. You know, I think say they go down well with Chioma. I think say Chioma they happy. It's not easy, eh? It's not easy at this age. She don't they go through all this kind of scandal, different things. This one a man whenever marry, whenever pay your bride price, you don't they go through all this kind of scandal. Where did they go? Now it's still far past where they come from. Make una just imagine if you enter inside where Chioma gets right to make her choice. She get right to make her choice, but later make it not talk say because all these things it don't see am. Not be say person they witch and all these things. This one are the fact. This one are the things when it happen. We they see am, in they see am. Before Chioma born, the time when Chioma born, I get one a place when for Chioma IG, that is for her Instagram page, when she talks say she fight so many silent battle and she cry so many silent cry. What did those words mean? That is when he deal with Davido. Not be today, not be Chioma know Davido. Chioma don't know Davido for almost 6 years now. Say he fight all those silent battle and cry silently for a long time. Why? Man, when he never married, when he say never even see anything, don't they cry like this? If you can't enter inside the car. So the question is here now is that is Davido ready to settle down? Chioma might be ready, yes, but Davido now with the look. Davido ready? Will this one stop Davido for being baby daddies? Will marrying Chioma be the last bus stop? Davido will stop to the flirt around and not will they live all those reckless life? Will that one stop the whole story? So my people, that question are for now. I want make una leave una opinion, una leave una comment at the comment section. What una think? Say whether if Chioma marry Davido finally, Davido go change automatically. He go change the lifestyle. You know, go they give Chioma these scandals and this heartache and all this problem when Chioma don go through all these few years when don take all this few time when don take live with am for a house. If you marry another one be the ultimate cover road, everything go just clear automatically. So make una answer that question. I don't know wetin una think. Just leave your comments at the comment section and just say anything when you think, anything when you feel say e concern this matter. Abeg leave wetin concern this matter, not be the thing wey no concern this matter, not be that kind comment we dey find, na the thing wey relate to this topic that we want. Just leave your comment below. Thank you. So now here I go dey roll up my video. If you get anything when you wan see adjourn, just leave am, and I go still give una more updates for this matter. If e be say more updates still dey, I go still let una still know. So now here I go to round up my video today, my people. Abeg make una not forget to subscribe to this my channel if you never subscribe. Give me a thumb up if you like this video, and just hit the notification bell so that you go to get more video. So now here I go leave una today. I hope to come your way soon. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.